I'll use the harp as an example because the stencil itself is actually a pretty basic stencil. So it's got the initial die of it. I usually would do the harp part of the die first. I'll pull it, and then the actual dyed part of the disc will be the harp that's already dyed. So then I have less vinyl to lay on the second time, because the first time I put the regular one on was where most of it was being masked and only the harp was left exposed. So for the second time, it was a little easier to mask just the harp because there's not as many pieces of vinyl involved, which I think helped quite a bit. And if anybody's going to attempt to do a double vinyl die like that, where you want to try and experiment, I would highly encourage you to do the same thing. Use the larger part of the vinyl masking on the first dip, and then for your redye, you'll have less vinyl to apply so that it won't necessarily be as difficult for you to potentially line it up. But yeah, it was all still done by me looking at it and lining it up with no, assistance from laser guided anything.